Hey everyone, James from SCW, here to introduce our newest multi-sensor camera, the Observer 5.0. The Observer is a 4-lens, multi-sensor camera that only requires one Ethernet cable to get 4 independent vari-focal channels. The Observer offers incredible flexibility. Inside, the 4 lenses are on a rail, allowing you to position them to meet your unique security needs. Let's take a look at some of the key specs and features of the Observer 5.0. It features 4 independent low-light lenses and sensors. Each sensor is 5 megapixel at 30 frames per second, and each lens has motorized zoom, giving you a range of 110 degrees at the wide angle, down to 31 degrees when it's zoomed in. For night vision, there are a total of 9 high-powered infrared LEDs, giving you a range of up to 165 feet. The Observer is also IP67 weatherproof rated, IK10 impact resistant rating, and all 4 streams support our AI person and vehicle detection analytics. The Observer is a game changer that can revolutionize both new and existing systems. In new systems, the Observer can easily be used in place of 4 or even more standard fixed lens cameras. This helps reduce cable runs, installation time, maintenance, and more. For existing systems, if you need additional coverage, replacing a standard camera with the Observer will give you a massive boost in coverage without the expense and hassle of new cable runs. Now let's take a look at some sample footage. Want to learn more? Get in touch with an expert at getscw.com.